Good morning, dear students. Chemical kinetics. Easy way to write the rate law and find order. What is the order with respect to each of the reactants and overall order of the following reaction? Br minus in aqueous medium plus BrO3 minus in aqueous medium. Bromide, bromate. H plus indicate the medium is acidic medium, gives Br2 and H2O. Br minus undergo oxidation gives Br2. The rate of the reaction is given, rate equal to K into Br minus BrO3 minus H plus ion concentration 2. This is the experimentally rate law, determined rate law. The second problem is P equal to acetaldehyde on heating gives methane and carbon monoxide. The experimental rate law is rate equal to K into concentration of acetaldehyde power 3 by 2. For the first reaction, now I write the rate law once again. What is the rate law given? Rate is equal to K into concentration of Br minus into concentration of BrO3 minus power 1 concentration of H plus ion square. So, this is the experimentally determined rate law. From this, we can write order, individual and overall order. Order with respect to the first reactant with respect to Br minus is equal to 1. Order with respect to the second reactant BrO3 minus is 1 power 1. Order with respect to the medium, acidic medium, H plus ion is equal to 2. Now, overall order is equal to, overall order is always for the whole reaction of the reaction equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4. So, total overall order of the given reaction is 4. For the second reaction, now I write the given experimental rate law. What is the rate law given for the second problem? The rate of the reaction is equal to rate constant K into concentration of CH3 CHO power 3 by 2. Simply we can write the order with respect to acetaldehyde. Only one reactant we have respect to acetaldehyde. What is the molecular formula? CH3 CHO is 3 by 2. We have only one reactant, therefore overall order of the reaction is nothing but same 3 by 2. Now, you are going to discuss one more problem under this video. The second problem given is the rate of the reaction X plus 2Y gives product is 4 into 10 power minus 3 mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1. If concentration of X equal to concentration of Y equal to 0.2 molar and the rate constant at 400 Kelvin is 2 into 10 power minus 2 second power minus 1. What is the overall order of the reaction? What is the overall order of the reaction? First I am writing the given value. Rate of the reaction is given. Rate equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3 unit for rate mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1. concentration of X reactant, concentration of Y are same, that is 0.2 m, and the rate constant K, rate constant K is also given equal to 2 into 10 power minus 2 second power minus 1. So, using this we have to calculate overall order. From individual order we can calculate. Now, I write the rate equation. We have two reactant. The common rate equation, rate is equal to rate constant K into concentration of X power as usual m, concentration of Y power n. The rate is given in our problem, that is 4 into 10 power minus 3. Rate equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3. Rate constant value also given 2 into 10 power minus 2 into X value is 0.2 power m, Y value is also 0.2 power n. Bring the 2 into 10 power minus 2 to the left hand side. So, 4 into 10 power minus 3 by 2 into 10 power minus 2, that is equal to 0.2 power, bases are equal, we can add the power m plus n. Now, cancel the denominator and the numerator. 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3 get cancelled. This is your 10 power minus 1. 2 into 10 power minus 1 is equal to 0.2. Power 1 equal to 0.2 power m plus n. In both the side, the base are equal, therefore powers are also equal. M plus n equal to 1. So, from this we can write the result. The overall order of the reaction, the overall order of the reaction is m plus n, that is equal to 1. This is answer. Then third problem, now we are going to see. For the reaction 2NH3 gives N2 plus 3H2, decomposition of ammonia. If minus D of disappearance of NH3 is K1NH3, appearance of N2, rate of appearance of N2 K2NH3, rate of appearance of H2 is taken as K3NH3. Then the relation between K1, K2 and K3 is, see the reaction. Now, I write the rate equation for the given reaction. Rate equation is minus 1 by 2 into D of concentration of NH3 by dt is equal to N2 is a product, number of moles 1 by 1. It is a product, therefore plus sign. D of concentration of N2 divided by dt is equal to 1 by 3 plus sign product D of concentration of H2 divided by dt, concentration of H2 divided by dt. Now, what is value is given in our problem? The minus D of NH3 by dt is taken as K1 NH3, minus D of NH3 by dt is taken as 1 by 2 into K1 into concentration of NH3, that is equal to D of N2 by dt is equal to K2 into NH3, that is equal to D of H2 by dt is taken as D of H2 by dt is taken as R is equal to K3 into concentration of NH3. Now, Equal molecules get cancelled. Ammonia get cancelled. Remaining we have 1 by 2 end K1 equal to K2 equal to 1 by 3 end K3. When you multiply the whole equation by this 3, the equation becomes 3 by 2 end K1, that is equal to 3 end K2 equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1 K3, or we can write 3 by 2 equal to 1.5 end K1 equal to 3 K2 is equal to K3. This is a relationship between K1, K2 and K3. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Okay, thank you.